The New York International Auto Show, or NYIAS for short, in the middle of Manhattan, has become one of the most important events on the automaker's event calendar, and German carmaker Volkswagen is represented here in a big way. It's a matter of showing a commitment to this market, taking this market seriously, and displaying what our intentions are. Those are the decisive factors for Volkswagen. Volkswagen has two world premieres here in New York. One is the Atlas Cross Sport crossover SUV, a 5-passenger version of the midsize SUV Atlas introduced here last year. We want to expand our family of midsize SUVs. There's room for expansion in this segment, and we want to increase our volume here in America. That's why this auto show is so important to us. The production version is slated to hit American roads in 2019. World premiere number 2 is the Atlas Tanoak, a vehicle with great American appeal. For the first time, Volkswagen has unveiled a pickup truck concept with a chance to snatch a highly lucrative segment. The 4-wheel drive Atlas Tanoak is based on the same underpinnings as the VW Atlas SUV. Pickup trucks populate the streets here. This model is the most American Volkswagen ever, and we have shown here what something like this from Volkswagen could look like. At 5 meters 40 long, the Atlas Tanoak falls into the midsize category here in America. With its 3.6-liter V6 FSI Atlas Series gasoline engine, the pickup boasts 206 kilowatts, or 280 horsepower. Unlike the Atlas Cross Sport, a date for a market launch has yet to be set. Every show car we produce claims a certain amount of conversion quality, and we're seriously planning to do that here as well.